Welcome to my channel, and you can see I'm in Arsenal mode, and I have not make any transfer request. I have yet actually. Okay, so already I have the budget. You can see here, like this is my transfer budget still now, and at the same time my wage budget is zero. I have made it actually for for counting to help to counting and create that mind that in future I can estimate that what I am willing, how much I can spend, because lots of player in the list, in the transfer list, they have to be sold, right? So when they will departure, their wage budget will be help me to increase my wage budget, weekly budget, which you can say. So that's why. And let's see, um, past month I will not admitted any type of. Okay, Socrates sold. Okay, 34. There is a huge boost for us. Like you can see now in our transfer budget, especially weekly budget. Actually, what I will say, you can see there. Oh no, no. Okay, let's wait. Mm, my first main player whom I want to be in my team. He is none other than Mbappe, Kylian Mbappe. So I know this is going to be very tough actually, but at the same time not impossible, not impossible though. Hector Bellerin, I don't want to lose him actually. Okay, okay, accept offer. Willock, Willock. 1 year Looney. Okay, I don't think so. That's reject offer. And Hector Bellerin. What can be his price? Maximum he can go for 40. No man, no. I will only left him if somebody will give me near about at least 52 to 65. Okay. I I can assure you that PSG will snap this request actually. But yeah, I mean I'm working guys. So already it's 3rd September. Mkhitaryan transfer offer purchase. uh, Lazio have shown the interest. Mkhitaryan 21.60. Okay, let negotiate about him. Because if he departure, his wage budget will be allow us to assembling more budget, more budget money for go another player. So professional transfer, okay, 18. Uh, I will go for him actually in around 25. Let's. I just want to see what will happen. No, they will stick around. They are very much basic price actually. Let's go for 22. Look, if Mkhitaryan is not selling in this particular year, then I will sign him for more another for 2 or 3 years. It will increase his budget, increase his amount, increase his what I will say selling price. And second, at least we have a somebody like who can replace Ozil, especially on CAM. Okay, so that is the case. That is the case actually. So maybe this is the this will be gambling from me. Okay, let's move for some player. What will say? And for that, transfer from Mkhitaryan again. 21. Okay. I am hoping for the best. If someone by Mkhitaryan, someone like Mkhitaryan with vast experience, around 21 or 22 actually, but I will increase the price at fast because I know in future they will uh, down. So that's why I have to be smarter than them actually. On the spruce, what 1980? No. Bit expensive. I want to, you know, but they are suggesting 20. Okay, okay. Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it. In front pace, I don't think we should invest, but someone like Mbappe, this is tough. This is really tough. While you have the lots of money and Kylian Mbappe in your, you know, in your eye, in your shadow from far more here. So this is going to be very tough to avoid him and bring such useful player, defender, CDM. So that is going to be very tough. All right, transfer offer for. I can just want to see that how many player in transfer listed. Mkhitaryan, David Luiz, only Mkhitaryan and David Luiz. Okay, all right. Already three have been rejected. Okay, one accepted. Okay. Uh, David Luiz. We have not received any offer for particular which. Oops. Oops. Let's see for more player. Actually, let's go for more player to sell. Uh, let's see squad hub and there you can see actually who are in your team still now. Martinez is have to be sold. He is very good player, but for money we need to sell him. Kolasinac already in the left side is very jammed, making very jammed. They're good. Marvapanas holding. Okay, David Luiz is transfer listed. Okay. Metal Nails, Chamber, Elmani have to be sold. Torreira, no. Gundeji, Caballos, Willock, Barton. You need to be sold. Pepe, good, really good. Smith Rowe, transfer listed. Nelson, Lacazette, Aubameyang. Okay. So don't too much player left in my squad to be sold. Okay, so uh, here from I need to really rebuild my team. Okay, so uh, now I can see the main thing that Leno Saliba. What we need that we need two very good solid defender. Okay, all right, a good defender. Saliba is not the first class player still, but in near future he will definitely. Bellerin and training. Okay, that those are good. Kolasinac will also very good. And Pepe, no, this is not Pepe's position actually. Mkhitaryan will be departure will be very soon. So thereby Caballos will be fitted here. Chamber and someone like Torreira. Where is Torreira? Torreira is here. Okay, WB is captain. Okay, and now what I need that go for budget. I mean go for player. Okay, so what they are suggesting actually, if I go for attack player actually, Paulson, no. Let me scout. Okay. Okay. Jesus is very good. Very good, definitely. And still he is young, only 22. Okay. So that's the big thing. And Mbappe, yeah. This is the player. This is the player. Has potential to be special. He's already superstar. Oh my god. Warner is definitely good player. Definitely Conte, Vardy. Uh, let's go transfer hub and try for Mbappe. Okay, we have lots of money, so thereby we need to bring him anyhow. And if it will happen, then the magic will click. Okay, players who have no offer transfer fee. Offer transfer fee one. Okay, I will go for 160. 160. Let's go for 160. That's a fair offer for Mbappe. Oh my god, what is this? Mbappe negotiate. Okay, yeah, welcome to my team. Mbappe, oh, please stand up. Okay, he's come with his agent actually, and definitely his place will be crucial. But I want to see the all option. Okay, important, crucial, no, accept, crucial. 5 years, definitely, man, definitely. There is no issue. Propose disagree release clause. Counter remove bonus. I don't know. No. Okay. Wage 155 140. Okay. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Hmm. Uh, Here he is. Here, the mighty Mbappe. Okay. Now, very fast. I have to be very fast on the transfer window. Look, who is mm, what is happening? Mkhitaryan sold. Okay, they are giving only 15. Okay, and by PP, I have been pretty good from. Okay. Now, is this the right moment for bring another attacker? No, 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 no. We have lots of attacker. Lacazette, Aubameyang, Mbappe, Pepe. So it does not sound good actually. So what I will try that I will search. I will go to search my player, and he is uh, League Bundesliga Dortmund, and he is good defender, and his name is, I think, where is, oh man, have I lost him? No. No, no, no. Where he is? Where he is? Where he is? I'll found him. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Hernandez is rock solid, but I'm not searching for him. I'm not searching for this one actually. You know. So where is he? Defender. Okay. Age is maximum 22. uh, and now I will search for him. Let's go. Okay. mm, no, 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 no. Godse Hakimi. Hakimi is from, I don't know, loan after. He is from Real Madrid actually. He is a tremendous player, tremendous, and he is the future star of the world football definitely. Right now, I am looking for that player, and still I am not finding him. Unfortunately, this is very pathetic for me. But still, I am in the, you know, in the market. But no. Okay, I will take some, you know, help from Mr. Google. Gordian. Okay, I will found the player. Okay, I will found the player in by player name actually Zagadu. His name is Zagadu. This is okay. This is it. I think what for have purchased him. If it happened, then bad luck for me. Uh, and Upamecano. Upamecano is the another player. Upamecano. Okay. Wait. Now this is going to be very interesting. This I will go for this player, and definitely Jagadu. Um, Konate. 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 Another player. Let's go for him also. Ibrahim Konate. Ask. Okay, let's ask. And at the same time, a player. I really admire him to bring my team actually. He is. Let's see. You just watch. Premier League and Liverpool actually. Okay. The player from Liverpool, and he is Alexander Arnold, and I am a big fan of him. Okay, and he is still young, very young, only 20. His sprint speed, stamina is excellent, excellent, and therefore I will go to purchase him. Let's see what happens. Let's try. Players swap. I'll give them David Luiz. What? What is happening? They are going for. Okay, they are winning 59. Oh my god. No, 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 no. That is not possible for me right now. That is not possible for me. Uh, it was new, and again I will go for 30, 38. I'll go for 38 for me. Let's see. 59. No, 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 no. No, no for 59. Only 40. 40 and 50. Okay. Let's have it. I'm offering very good money for him. No, no man. Let's 42. Let's 42. Okay, let's have it. We're going to take some time. No man. No. Okay guys, now I am going to stop the record about this time, and please subscribe and please comment that what type of player you are willing to have in my squad as a Gunner fan. I've already made Mbappe. Okay, I mean you can see in our jersey uh, where he is Kylian Mbappe, master in there. So we are trying to bring some more player in different unit, and in this process I will stop this video particularly in this area, and after that in our upcoming video we'll start from here. So please subscribe.